So if we crash, we have this little, or what's called an immersion RC power play, and it sees what the camera sees. So right now the camera's down. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
With this, we can play back footage. But here, we're inside the parking structure. It's kind of low. Look at flying in here, no problem. Woo! Oh, I can hear the drone. And we have these goggles that we wear. And with these goggles, there's little TV screens. And those TV screens go on our eyeballs. So like augmented reality, but virtual reality, but augmented. So like when you crash, it's real. But you're literally a part of the drone. So like crashes like this can scare you. Here it is. Just chilling, beeping away. It's the Christmas drone. Have you seen the Christmas drone? The Christmas drone. Christmas drone down. Here we are. Beautiful San Diego. At this location, the building is tall. The surroundings are gorgeous. And as we go down this 6 foot 4 inch clearing, it says, down to the bottom, you can see the beautiful parking structure. Look at that. Whoa, better get out of the way. You might come down here. Oh, dang. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank God there's a car here. I mean, these things are, you're talking, these are huge. Oh no. Woo! I couldn't get out of the way. And it's gone, just like that. Shh, shh, shh. Oh no. Oh no, where is it? Where's the drone? Where's the drone? No, I don't have to hide. Is it clear? Okay, we're clear. Gotta go. Boop. So right now we are at a couple hundred degrees. We're still flying on the Hurt motor. This is still the Hurt motor video. This is still the Hurt motor video. Alright, we're not saying this is our last flight, but what we are saying is we're gonna go through the stairs right through there and then pop out up on top. That's what we're doing right now. Christmas drone. So right now we're on horizon mode, I think. We need to get a little bit out to change this over. There we go. Here, let's go around to the left. This is dope, bro. Whoa. Are you in the tunnel? Are you? Oh shit, there you are. I'll follow you. Yeah. Yeah. I'm above you, I'm above you, I'm above you. Now it says link quality immediately over here, bro. It's so crazy. So crazy. It's so sketchy. Battery's low? Look at that. That battery must have been dead. So on the drone, we have all these numbers on the bottom. I happen to know that I have Hurt motors right now. The bottom left is the motors. And see how like one is higher than the other? We're gonna put it in full acro. And what that means is every input is needed in order to fly the drone. private area road. And we're just gonna cruise. I've never been here before. I have no idea.
RF signal critical.
So on analog, it's not digital, it's analog. You might be able to fly it down here a little bit. But the reception for my goggles aren't going to be as good as the GoPro because we're just transferring the data through the air and the GoPro is just recording on the screen. See? Turn around. We don't need to go any deeper. But we're downstairs where you can see through concrete. We're just chilling in the lay of the area so we know we can go down there. So we'll go back over here. It's so weird, the packet loss. So look at this. There's also a parking structure down here. Look at this. There's a little bit of pitch braking. Oh, so you can see all underneath this concrete here. All through here. Oh. The analog's got some power. Back on 200. There must be something by the building maybe, I don't know. Let's get close by here. They're at 200. Why is it tripping so much? I've never seen it trip so much. Just stay stationary. It's so weird. Link quality loss. We're just chilling anyways. Oh, bring it back before it dies. Nicely done. Stairs. Oh, there it is!
Me not that man show. No, got my own so me fit in it. Pick up like the phone with the sim in it. Jump to the sky but not coming up freely. And me rise to my glory. Me promise myself me have to witness it. Firm to me think I'm grizzly. Lyrics to your head make you dizzy.
Arrived at this gorgeous building, and behind us plenty of chairs so we can sit. Another building over here